Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install OpenLDAP Server on AlmaLinux 9. Before installing the OpenLDAP Server, it is essential to configure the fully qualified domain name, FQDN, and ensure it points to the correct IP address. Now, set up the FQDN of your AlmaLinux machine by running the following command. Open the host's file with the nano editor using the following command. Insert the following configuration into the file, making sure to replace the IP address, FQDN, and hostname with your own values. Save the file and exit the editor. To verify that the FQDN is correctly set up and pointing to the proper IP address, run the following commands. If successful, you should see your FQDN associated with the IP address. First, add the EPEL repository to your AlmaLinux server by running the following command. Next, install the OpenLDAP server and client packages by running the following command. When prompted, type Y to confirm the installation, and press Enter. When asked to add the GPG key of the EPEL repository, type Y and press Enter. Start and enable the OpenLDAP service by running the following commands. Then, verify that the SLAPD service is running by executing the following command. If running, you should see an output indicating that the service is active, running. Open both the LDAP and LDAPS services on Firewall D to allow client connections. Run the following commands, and then reload Firewall D to apply the changes. Continue to verify the list of Firewall D rules by running the following command. If successful, you should see both LDAP and LDAPS services listed. First, generate the LDAP administrator password. Next, configure the LDAP database. Then, create the base domain structure. After that, verify the LDAP configuration. You can test administrator authentication. And test directory search.